respect to our school, Yundal Rural Vision Christian Academy, to our principal, Ma'am Marcos Briones, to our school administrator, Ma'am Rosalie Patil, and to our teachers, parents, classmates, visitors, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon, everyone. I stand before you, a heart full of gratitude and joy. Our journey was not that easy, but still, we managed to thrive and survive. It is my profound honor to have this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to everyone who played an important role in my journey. First, I want to thank my family for their unwavering support and this encouragement and unconditional love, which becomes the foundation of my strength and success. To my brother, thank you so much for for being there for me as my comforter. You have believed in me even when I doubted myself, and for that I am so grateful. To my friends, I treasure the companionships, the learning that we had opened in my heart. And to my best friend, thank you so much for your constant presence through bad times and good times. To my teachers, who became my mentor, especially to Ma'am Love, Ma'am Liway, Ma'am Rose, Ma'am Elise, and Sir Edmond. Your wisdom, guidance, and patience have shaped me to become a better person. You have imparted not only knowledge, but also values and principles that guide my actions. Thank you so much. To my classmates, your collaboration in all school activities has made me every child's soar multiple and every achievement more rewarding. Thank you for your hard work and dedication. I will never forget the memories that we had shared. Finally, to everyone who has believed in me, your encouragement become the beacon of hope and motivation. As I look forward for the future, I carry with me the gratitude and appreciation. I am deeply thankful for the friendship we have. Thank you so much and God bless us all.